Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about how to become Delhi Police Constable. We should remember that there is a constable post which is in New Delhi. So in that region only you will have this constable post. So how exactly to become the Delhi Police Constable? And this is the opportunity for each and every state people, whoever is interested. There will be online examinations followed by physical and medical examinations, and final merit will be there, and document verification will be done after this. So I'll just suggest few books also, and you can directly go through whatever the notification it has come. And SSC notification, SSC will be conducting everything, will be discussed for the 12th standard and above students, whatever the age group. Let us see exactly what the notification here. As you can see, SSC conducts this constable executive branch, male and female, in the Delhi area. As you can see, there is a online mode application process. You have to go through ssc.nic.in. Then you have to fill up the online application. So you should, what exactly you should have in this online, whatever, whenever you submit them, then you take the printout of the respective application form. What are the required documents prior upload? This is one thing exactly you have to remember. You should have the photo ID, that is Aadhaar, which is mandatory because Aadhaar verification has to be done for the OTP. And you should have the mobile number as well as email ID. And you should have the details of whatever the mark sheet and date of passing the examinations. Photograph between 20 to 50 KB in a JPEG format, and signature also you should have in a soft copy. Whatever the photograph you are opting, that photograph supposed to be without any headgear or spectacles. And at the end you should have the license. How exactly? I'll just go through this. The license has to be bike or car. It is mandatory you should have the license for the male candidate, but not required for the female candidates. Whoever is male candidates are there, you should have the bike license, or you should have the car license. So that light motor vehicle license has to be there. By the time you go for the physical and medical test, it is not mandatory now you should have. Now you can apply the form and then go for the RTO office and apply for this. Examination fee. This is 100 rupees cost is examination fee for the general category. It has to be paid through internet, that is with the help of credit or debit card. Check the notification for ex-servicemen. SC/ST candidates have no fee at all. Date of obligation submission. Check whatever the notification you have, the first and last date of payment that has to be completed within a given time. Height is mandatory. This is one thing you have to remember. If you are not good at height, we are very sorry, it is not for you. 170 centimeters must be there for men. You can check whatever the notification for the hilly area purpose, and 157 for the height of the woman. What exactly the pattern of this examination? We have the written exam, that is initially computer based examination, and next we have the physical endurance and measurement test, PE and MT. As we have the medical test after this, and you will have the final merit. After the final merit you have to go for the document verification. What exactly the pattern for the written examinations is? You got the negative markings, that is 1/4 of the respective mark. You will be given a bilingual language. The test will be in bilingual English and Hindi. Whatever the computer based examination, it will be online mode only. And general knowledge questions, we will have the 50 questions, which consist of current affairs and static GK. If you want to go through static GK, you can directly follow my channel. And the current affairs, it's an ocean. That depends on your luck, what exactly you will be asked. So you have the static GK in your hands. So grab them. This is the best channel for you. You have got a static GK. You will not go beyond that. So maximum marks of general knowledge 50 marks. Reasoning will have the 25 questions, 25 marks. Numerical ability, that is mathematics 15 marks. Computer fundamentals, that is 10 marks. So these are all you have to go through each and everything. Everything is available in my YouTube channel. You can directly go through this. The total time period will be given 90 minutes for all this marks. NCC certificate candidates, whoever has got, they are lucky. They have C certificate, then 5% marks is bonus. If they have B certificate, then 3% marks of overall you will be given. And the A certificate candidates, you have 2% marks as a bonus. So overall 5 marks, 3 marks and 2 marks. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given. You can join on Defense ICTA Telegram. That will be very useful for all competitive exams. This is one thing you have to remember. The playlist, whatever has been given, you can directly go through how exactly it has been given. After the writing examinations of computer based examination, the shortlisted people will be called for physical endurance and measurement test. That is for the men, how exactly it will be there. 1600 meters has to be run within a time of 6 minutes. You have to qualify, and there will be a long jump that is of 14 feet length. You have to finish in 3 attempts. High jump, you will have 3 feet 9 inches in a 3 attempts. Request check the notification for above 30 years candidate. Whoever has got the age of 30 years, they can directly go through this notification. For the women candidates, 1600 meters, 8 minutes. They have to qualify. After they qualify, they will have the long jump. They have to jump 10 feet, and that is also 3 attempts. High jump they will be having again 3 feet. 3 attempts will be given, and 30 years and above candidates can go through the notification. And prepare prior medical. After this qualifying this, you have the medical. You have to prepare for the medical, what exactly to be done. So you will have the medical test. Some cases you have to groom your head, you have to shave your head, whatever the neat and clean, you have to go there. Take out the underarms and pubic hair. You have to take out the private parts, and all the hairs has to be removed. Hands alignment, you check whether you have got a good hands and or there is problem in your, you can directly go to the doctor. There is some problem for the people, hyperhidrosis. This is one thing. Hyperhidrosis is one thing. You can see the sweat in the hands of the students. That is one disadvantage. Bow legs and knock knees. Eyesight chart, pen test, color blindness test, tooth counting, arms fitness test, deformation of the foot, as you can see normal and flat foot, ear checkup, hemorrhoids, that is piles test for the girls pregnancy. You have to do before medical. Get the scaling be done. It is very essential. Your teeth has to be scaled. This is one thing you have to remember. Take out the wax by Dewax drops. We knew that there is a ear drops of Dewax, and get it cleaned. Carry the money for lodging. You should have the adequate money. If candidates have the spectacles, then get the power of the eyes to be signed by the local ophthalmologist. Turnout has to be good, and get the pubic hair be cleaned. So you have to clean your private parts. If you got selected, best of luck. Next we have the medical test, that is blood samples, urine samples and biochemistry, whatever the will be done. That is exactly you have to go through whatever the medical test and urine test, and even nowadays you will be having various tests. Chest measurement will be there for the male and female candidates. The procedure, you have to exhale the breathe, let him take the initial measurement, and now inhale maximum when he says chest out, with full air and wings to be out. So do breathe in and control 15 seconds while practicing. Automatically your chest will be good. You will be having color blindness test. As you can see how exactly the figures, you have to recognize the respective figures 7, 13, 16, 8, 12 and 9. So this is what the numbers are. So this is color blindness. Now you have got checked. Eye test will be there. You will have the small eye test. Exactly you have to follow OLEFDTZP. This is what exactly you have to go through, the whatever the figures have been given. You will be done pen test. You will get the pen near to your nose, near to the eyes. So that upper one is unfit, the downer one is fit. So you have to look towards the pen continuously. It means you are okay. Hemorrhoids, as you can see, you have the piles. If you are having spicy food, the problem of having hemorrhoids are more. So don't consume spicy food while practicing. That directly affects your anus. This is my mobile number, guys, 7667302252. You can call me or message me. 2100 PDF of GK and GS will be provided for you. I hope if you have any doubts, please let me know. And you can directly go through my playlist. It's one of the finest YouTube channel you will ever find. That will be useful for all competitive exams. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.